Good morning, students. We are preparing general knowledge with shortcuts. General knowledge is useful for all competitive examinations. If you learn general knowledge with shortcuts, it is easy to remember. Today, we are going to learn a trick to remember 18 railway zones. 18 railway zones. There are 18 railway zones in India. How to remember these 18 zones? You just see. In this first picture, see this first picture. In this first picture, you can learn 5 railway zones. Go through first east side, Kolkata, Ferry Place. East Railway Zone, Kolkata, which is present in Ferry Place. South Railway Zone, present in Chennai. Or Southern Railway Zone, present in Chennai. Western Railway Zone, present in Mumbai, Churchgate. Western Railway Zone, present in Mumbai, Churchgate. Northern Railway Zone, present in Delhi. Northern Railway Zone, present in Delhi. Central Railway Zone, present in Mumbai, CSMT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal. So there are 5 zones in this picture. You just see here: East Railway Zone, Kolkata; South Railway Zone, Chennai; West Railway Zone, Mumbai, Churchgate; then North Railway Zone, Delhi; Central Railway Zone, Mumbai, CSMT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Mumbai Terminal. How to remember? You just go through here: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. MD KC. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya. MD KC. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. From west to south. So Mumbai is west, Delhi is north. So Kolkata is east. Then Chennai is south. Vines. MD KC WNES. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya got job. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya got job. We went to do wine shop. WNES. 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 MD Krishna Chaitanya wines. Next. Coming to one more picture. See here, coming to one more picture. See here, all central zones. All central zones. East Central, South Central, West Central, North Central. East Central Zone, Hajipur. East Central Zone, Hajipur. South Central Zone, Secunderabad. West Central Zone, Jabalpur. North Central Zone, Allahabad. See all of you. South Central Zone, Secunderabad. North Central Zone, Allahabad. Allahabad now it is called Prayagraj. Both north south have baths. North Central Zone, Allahabad. South Central Zone, Secunderabad. West East zones have Pur. West Central Zone, Jabalpur. East Central Zone, Hajipur. East Central Zone, Hajipur. See here one sentence. So our MD Krishna Chaitanya got job now. So he got secured job, all happy. Secured job, all happy, G. Secured job, all happy, G. Secured Secunderabad. Job, Jabalpur. All, Allahabad. Happy, Hajipur. Happy, Hajipur. So 4 sentences: Secunderabad, Jabalpur, Allahabad, Hajipur. You can remember central zones. South Central Secunderabad with secured. Then West Central Jabalpur with job. North Central Allahabad with all. East Central Hajipur with happy, G. So we can finish up to here. There are here 5 zones. Here 4 zones, up to 9 zones. Coming to one more picture here. So coming to one more picture, all ends. So see here, northeast, northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. First go to these 4 zones. Northwest, Jaipur. Northwest, Jaipur. Northeast, Gorakhpur. Jaipur, Gorakhpur. Southwest Hubli, southwest Hubli, southeast Kolkata, southeast Kolkata in Garden Reach, in Garden Reach. So see all ending points: northwest Jaipur, northeast Gorakhpur, southwest Hubli, southeast Kolkata. Then one more south central, one more south is southeast central. Southeast central, that is Bilaspur. Southeast central Bilaspur. There are 5 zones are here. So northwest Jaipur, northeast Gorakhpur, southeast Bilaspur. So southeast central Bilaspur, southeast Kolkata, southwest Hubli. Simply remember 4 ending zones here. Halwa, Jalebi, Gupchup, Kaja. Halwa, Jalebi, Gupchup, Kaja. H, Halwa. J, Jalebi, Jaipur. So Gupchup, Gorakhpur. Then Kolkata, Kaja. Kolkata, Kaja. Remember these 4. Halwa, Jalebi, Gupchup, Kaja. Halwa indicates Hubli. Jalebi indicates Jaipur. Gupchup indicates Gorakhpur. Kaja indicates Kolkata. Once again go through here. Southwest Hubli. Northwest Jaipur, northeast Gorakhpur, southeast Kolkata. Halwa with Hubli, Jalebi with Jaipur, Gupchup with Gorakhpur, then Kaja with Kolkata. 4 ending points. Kaja. So see here, Halwa, Jalebi, Gupchup, Kaja. Our MD Krishna Chaitanya got job. Then wine shop, he went to do wine shop and he secured job, all happy. He has got secured job, all happy. Then he invited his friends and given halwa, jalebi, gupchup, kaja. Otherwise he ate halwa, jalebi, gupchup, kaja. Then go through some other railway zones. Northeast Frontier Railway Zone, Guwahati. Northeast Frontier Railway Zone, Guwahati. Kolkata Metro Zone, it is present in Park Street. Kolkata Metro Zone present in Park Street. East Coast Railway Zone, Bhubaneswar. East Coast Railway Zone, Bhubaneswar, which is present in Odisha. South Coast Railway Zone, Vishakhapatnam. South Coast Railway Zone, Vishakhapatnam. See here, 5 zones, 4 zones, 9 zones here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zones here. 5 zones here. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You can go through one more time. See here, MDKC, West Railway Zone, Mumbai, North Railway Zone, Delhi, East Railway Zone, Kolkata, South Railway Zone, Chennai, Central Railway Zone, Mumbai. Here you can observe 5 zones. Then coming to second picture, here you can observe 4 zones. Secunderabad, South Central, Jabalpur, West Central, Allahabad, North Central, Hajipur, East Central. Up to here 9 zones. Up to here 9 zones. Then coming to Halwa, Hubli, 10th zone, Jaipur 11, Northwest, Gorakhpur 12, Bilaspur 13, Kolkata 14, then 15 Guwahati, Northeast Frontier. So then Kolkata Metro, East Coast Bhubaneswar, then South Coast to Vishakhapatnam. Recently 18th coast is South Coast to Vishakhapatnam. Once again we go through 18 zones. West Zone Mumbai, North Zone Delhi, East Zone Kolkata, South Zone Chennai, Central Zone Mumbai. North Central Allahabad, East Central Hajipur, South Central Secunderabad, West Central Jabalpur. Northwest Zone Jaipur, Northeast Zone Gorakhpur, Southeast Zone Kolkata, Southwest Zone Hubli, Southeast Central Zone Bilaspur. Northeast Frontier Guwahati, Kolkata Metro Zone, East Coast Zone Bhubaneswar and South Coast Zone Vishakhapatnam. So by drawing these pictures you can easily learn 18 railway zones easily. 18 railway zones you can remember easily. Then MDKC, secured job, all happies, then halwa, jalebi, gupchup, kaja. You can remember 4 sites: Northeast Frontier Guwahati, Kolkata Metro, East Coast Bhubaneswar, South Coast Vishakhapatnam.